My name is Samantha and today we're going to be trying these Paulownia facial wipes. So this is a cleansing power of a makeup remover that has all natural ingredients for a complete scrub, toner, mask, and cleanser. And the most amazing thing about this is that it's alcohol free. So these are actually soap-free hydrating wipes that will gently exfoliate and smooth the skin's texture in a little less than a week. It removes dirt, oil, makeup, waterproof mascara, 2 times better than your normal basic cleansing product. So these are actually a 5-in-1 with the power of a makeup remover, scrub, toner mask, and a cleanser. So now that I've talked a little bit about the product, I'm gonna go ahead and try it on my face. So to use these wipes, you just remove them from the package and then wet the wipes a little bit with water to activate all of the natural ingredients. So this is the cleansing cloth. I just wet it with water and then I'm gonna go ahead and remove. Oh wow. It's very soft and it's really not harsh on my skin at all. Other makeup wipes, I've noticed that when I use it, I really have to scrub. It really works the hard areas like the nose. Wow. Even my waterproof mascara. It makes my skin feel very, very soft. I have very dry skin, so anything helps to hydrate it, and this feels very hydrating. I cannot believe how quickly I got everything off. This is so soft. I use normally just regular makeup wipes that you get at the drugstore, and they're usually so harsh on my skin and they make it feel like my skin's already very dry and it makes it feel very dried out. This is very soft and I feel like I already used a moisturizer. This is awesome. Wow. And it took me less than a minute to take all my makeup off. Wow, so cool. So after using the product, my skin feels very soft, very tight. It feels like I already exfoliated and moisturized. My skin feels amazing. This has been a really cool experience. I really liked that it took my makeup off in less than a minute and I didn't even really need to scrub my face afterwards. There's no redness, which, you know, when you use other makeup wipes, you really have to scrub, gets your face red. There was nothing. As a professional makeup artist, I definitely recommend this product. If you guys are interested, go ahead and visit them at www.plowipes.com or go follow their Instagram and Facebook at plowipes.